Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to check firewall with NMAP and TCPDUMP commands. To begin with, let's update the system. To do this, open the terminal and run the sudo apt update command. After this, you will install the necessary utilities. To do this, run the command sudo apt install tcpdump nmap. Enter your password and use the letter EAST to confirm this process when prompted. Next, we are going to create the directory where the results of the analysis will be saved with the syntax of the mkdir command that we see on the screen. After this, we will create another directory inside the previous one for the first analysis with the command of new mkdir and putting the new path. Now you are going to check what is the IP address of your computer with the IPA command. Now it's time to perform our analysis using one of the installed utilities. Execute the on-screen command by entering the address IP of your system. It expects this analysis to be performed. You will be able to stop the process with the Ctrl+C keys. After this, we will make use of the other utility to capture the network packets. Execute the sudo nmap command with the on-screen syntax and including your machine's IP address. Analyze the results of this scan using the on-screen syntax of the less command. You can also use the TCPDUMP on-screen command to view real-time traffic. Now it's time to work with UDP. First, you are going to create the directory with the on-screen command of sudo mkdir. Now you're going to run the on-screen command of sudo tcpdump and the IP host address to analyze everything related to UDP. You will be able to stop the process with the Ctrl+C keys. Now you're going to check the time range of the parameter with the systel on-screen command. Now you are going to disable this value with the on-screen command and using the 0 value. After that, it executes the on-screen command to do the UDP analysis and using the IP address of the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. You can also reset the parameter values again using the on-screen command. Enter the letters F plus G to run this scan in the background. You can use the Ctrl plus C keys to stop this process. We will access the results with the command on the screen less. Now it's time to create a directory to store the services and hosts. Use the mkdir command again to do this. After this, we will execute the on-screen command using the address IP to access the versions of the services. Then we will access the results with the command on the screen less. Finally, let's run the on-screen command of sudo NMAP using the IP address to access the OS versions. After that, we will access the results with the command on the less screen. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.